Auditor appointment made easy with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. Appointing an auditor is not just a legal formality. It's a critical step in ensuring financial transparency, statutory compliance, and good corporate governance. Under the Companies Act 2013, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, outlines a structured process for the appointment, resignation, rotation, and filing of auditors. At Filings Corner, we make the entire process simple, quick, and 100% compliant, so you can stay focused on running your business. Types of auditor appointments. 1. First auditor. For newly incorporated companies. Must be appointed by the Board of Directors within 30 days of incorporation. If the board fails, shareholders must appoint within 90 days. Form ADT-1 must be filed with the ROC within 15 days of appointment. 2. Regular auditor, post-incorporation, appointed at the first annual general meeting, AGM. Reappointment happens in each AGM until completion of tenure. ADT-1 filing is mandatory after every appointment. 3. Auditor rotation, mandatory for certain companies. Applicable to listed companies, public companies with Rs 10, CR+, paid-up capital rotation rules. Individual auditor, rotation every 5 years. Audit firm, rotation every 10 years. 4. Casual vacancy in auditor position. If the auditor resigns or there's a vacancy, the board appoints a replacement within 30 days. If resignation is the cause, shareholders must approve within 3 months. File Form ADT-3 within 30 days of resignation. Forms and due dates for auditor compliance form. Purpose, due date. ADT-1, appointment, reappointment of auditor. Within 15 days of appointment. ADT-3, auditor resignation. Within 30 days of resignation. 23B, consent for first-time appointment. Within 15 days of AGM, missing these forms can lead to penalties ranging from Rs 5,000 to Rs 100,000. Documents required for auditor appointment: consent letter from the auditor. Board resolution approving the appointment, intimation letter to the auditor, communication with previous auditor, if applicable, shareholder approval via AGM resolution, penalties for non-compliance, failure to appoint auditor. Rs $75,000 to Rs $15,000. Fine, failure to file. ADT-1, Rs $5,000 to Rs $1,000. Failure to rotate. Auditor, Rs $25,000. Fine, failure to reappoint auditor. Annually, Rs $25,000 to Rs $5,000 fine. Statutory compliance is non-negotiable. Avoid unnecessary penalties with expert support. Why choose Filings Corner? Hassle-free filing. We handle ADT-1, ADT-3, and 23B with speed and accuracy. Expert advisory. Get guidance from CAs, CSs, and legal professionals. Timely reminders. Never miss a filing date with our proactive alerts. Complete AGM and board support. We help draft and file board and shareholder resolutions. Appoint your auditor with confidence. Start today. With Filings Corner, you get end-to-end support, accurate filings, and zero legal stress. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to book your auditor appointment service today. Filings Corner, corporate compliance. Simplified.